Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on Pinterest account. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn on dark mode on Pinterest, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. The home page of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Click on human icon at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on your profile icon on the top left side of the screen. You will end up on your profile section of Pinterest account. Tap on little gear icon and click on account management. Now all you need to do is tap on app theme. Click on dark option to turn your dark mode on Pinterest. This is how you can turn on dark mode on Pinterest quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.